Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to talk about what we offer here at Philosophy of Beauty for injectable treatments. So injectable treatments range from neurotoxin such as Botox, to hyaluronic acid, which is filler, to Sculptra, which is a biostimulator. So we offer these injectable treatments here, and we can use those in various parts of the body. For example, for Botox, we can use that to treat forehead lines, angry lines between your eyes. We can use that to treat the masseter muscle, especially if you grind your teeth or you're chewing and grinding your teeth. We can also treat the neck muscles. That's an area that we can use for Botox. Other areas that we can inject for filler are anywhere on the face. We can inject the labia, we can inject buttocks, and that provides hyaluronic acid to that area to build and boost volume in that area and to stimulate collagen growth. We also can use a product that has a biostimulator in it, such as Sculptra, and that doesn't provide as much filling, but it does provide the body stimulation to produce its own collagen. And we see that very frequently done in the buttocks. So as far as injectable treatments go, another area we have is something called platelet-rich plasma. We draw your blood, we spin it down, we get your platelets, and then we re-inject that into you, wherever you're going to be treated. That can be stimulating for the face. We can use that as filler in the labia. We can use it on the hands. We can actually use that treatment, the PRP, in addition to after perhaps a laser resurfacing, where we are applying that PRP to your skin to promote healing. So as you can see here at Philosophy of Beauty, our injectable line is quite broad.